are here right now at Shifen in Taiwan, and so exciting because this is one of the famous releasing lanterns in Shifen. It's cherished practice where individuals write their wishes or messages on a lantern like this. And when they make those wishes, they are sure that one day someone will answer it. For us Christian, only our Lord Jesus Christ has the ability to answer it. And it symbolizes the hope for the future. Look at them! They're really exciting because they have a lot of wish and of course their hopes. And annually on the 5th day of the Lunar New, it is also called Pingxi Sky Lantern Festival! So look at that! There's a lot of lantern on the air! It's really exciting. So remember everyone, it's always possible to travel around the world only through the power of God. See you here at Shifen Lantern Festival. Bye everyone!